This is pink.
Hey kids, look! There's a toy wrapped in pink Play-Doh! Let's unwrap it fast! Wow, that's a race car! Let's make a lid and close our bucket. And put the car on top of it. Next bucket.
It's red.
Look at the red Play-Doh. There is a toy inside. Wow, is that a truck? It's got a manipulator on its trunk. Hey, it's Mater. Hey, Mater, I knew it was you.
This is blue.
Now, let's open the blue Play-Doh. Yeah, it's Mcqueen himself. He's so fast. He's faster than lightning. In the movie, of course. Now, what is this orange here? It looks like an egg.
This is orange.
Let's see what's under the Play-Doh. Wow, that's a surprise egg.
Surprise!
Yes, there has to be a toy inside. Yep, there is. What is that? It's a spring toy. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more fun learning videos.